Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we are reviewing 45 watt PD adapter USB C type heavyweight power adapter. Let's go to the unboxing. We gonna open this box on right there, and this is our adapter. We're gonna pull out this one so we can see our adapter. This is 45 watt turbo fast adapter. You can see the heavyweight 45 watt something original adapter.